In this video, I'll show you how to activate your primary account on the PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, if you want to share your digital games and PlayStation Plus benefits with the other users on your PS5, you'll need to enable a feature called console sharing and offline play. This is the PS5 version of primary console on PS4. Once it's enabled, other users on the same PS5 can play your digital games and you can access your games even when your console is offline. So to do that, from the PS5 home screen, you're going to open up settings, click the gear icon at the top right, and then you want to go to users and account, hover down and select other, and here you'll have console sharing and offline play settings. If the feature is currently disabled on your PS5, you'll have option to enable it. So just like that, wait a few seconds, and your PS5 will activate console sharing and offline play for your account. And the next thing you can do to make sure the other account on your PS5 can access your game is to restore licenses. So just like that, then select all of the games and select restore at the bottom right. It will take a bit to finish restoring, and after that, hit OK and you're good to go. Once console sharing and offline play has been enabled, other users on the same PS5 can access your eligible digital games and PlayStation Plus benefits. And that'll be it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.